guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix AJIO is not responding error in your Android device. So when you're opening the AJIO app on your phone, at that time you are facing this kind of problem. To fix this issue, watch this video till and very carefully, okay? So first what you need to do, you need to close this app. Just tap on close app and it will close your app. After closing guys, now you need to restart your device. After restarting, first thing you need to check your phone internal storage. If the phone internal storage is not free, at that time you can definitely face this type of error on your phone. Not only for that particular app, you can face this error for another app also. So free up your internal storage, your problem will fix 100%, okay? So second main important thing is this guys, you need to check your internet connection as well as, okay? And then you can try the next method. Now you need to update the app. Open the Play Store and here you need to search the app AJIO like this, and if the app update is available, just simply update the app, okay? After updating, hopefully this will help you to fix your issue. Still in case you're facing same type of problem, now you need to open your phone settings and here open the apps and notification. In some phone you can get application manager option. Just open it, go to all apps like this. From here guys, you need to find out AJIO app and open it. Go to storage, clear the caches and clear the storage of this app. So remember one thing guys, if you are clearing the storage of this app, it will delete and it will log out your AJIO app, okay? So do it on your own risk and close it and restart your phone one time and open the app. Now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this issue. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.